It was almost 8 a.m. and the Leodones family was preparing to drink their morning coffee when the explosion happened. Jacqueline thought it's the freezer. This is a Telano compound about a kilometer away from the fighting in Santa Catalina. They thought they are safe.
Hindi ma'am, kagigising lang. Nag-start na kami para magkape sana yun. Yung nano ko, pagbukas ko ng ref, may sumabog. Akala ko yung saksakan, pumutok yung sa kuryente. Akala ko may tubig. Yung pala iba na, hindi na ako sinagot ni mami. Nandun sa pintuan, hindi na sa kusina kasi nasa pintuan siya kasi may tinignan siya doon.
Bigla na lang, hindi ko alam kung mortal ba yun o ano eh. Basta nasa third floor ako, asawa ko, nanay ko, nasa second floor. Bigla na lang sumabog eh. Ang lakas, lumipad na lang kami.
Okay.
Wasag na wasag talaga yun sa second floor.
Oh, meron ho bang...
Nanay ko po, casual. Oo po.
Sugatan? O
Wala na.
Wasag daw.
Wasag yung paa niya.
So, wala na yung nanay?
Wala na po.
Pwede mo malaman nanay?
Norma po, Norma Leodones.
Leodones.
Opo.
Ilang taon na po?
Nasa 71 yata, 71.
Parang mayroon na hulog na explosive ordnance. Baka ito, yung mortar shots coming from the directions of Santa Catalina.
It's a tragedy that even the local cops are mourning. Norma is one of the active volunteers bringing the evacuees and the cops some food. Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Zamboanga City.